Hi, welcome. I am Dr. Jem, and this is Jem Academy. So, a little bit about myself. My name is Dr. Jarrell Etienne Modeste, EJZ, and I go by Dr. Jem. I was born in Grenada, West Indies, and I grew up in Connecticut. When my family came here, at the age of 5, my parents have 9 children, and they came here for us to further our education. I graduated from before that, I always had a passion and love for science and math. And at a very young age, I started my own science summer school where I taught my 2 younger sisters and my cousin and other neighborhood children about science and math. I then grew a passion for engineering, and I knew that by the time I was in 6th grade, so I wanted to study engineering. I did my undergrad in biomedical engineering at the University of Connecticut. I then went on and did my master's and PhD at the University of Maryland in Baltimore County in mechanical engineering. I studied research related to improved for artificial joints replacement. So I studied in the area of biomechanics and biomaterials and looking at what's called the tribological wear properties for cobalt molybdenum alloy surfaces to reduce the wear and the friction for when you rub against your joints, it has wear and tear. And if you either injured yourself or have arthritis, you sometimes would need a partial or total joint replacement. So I created a textured surface to help trap the lubricant properties that will help to keep your joints moving smoothly and help to reduce wear and friction over time. I then later on went and worked for the government, the Army Research Lab, and I went on and taught at the University of Connecticut, University of Maryland, Baltimore County, and George Mason University. So I taught undergraduate mechanical and biomedical engineering for more than 6 years. I decided to create the Jem Academy. The reason why is because I love STEM and I love to give back to the community. I also wanted to really have this program where students can learn more about STEM, have resources and activities. So in the Academy, you will see great videos on how to build robots. You'll learn how to solve algebra and different math problems. You'll also learn different techniques in the area of STEM and science engineering. In the area of STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, you also learn about STEAM. What STEAM is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. And so I provide resources from K through 12 and also for undergraduates and graduate students. We have in my GEM Innovations Institute, my company, we have different programs where students do hands-on building of robotics. They build a bridge, they learn how to build their own flashlights, and also other engineering components related to chemical engineering and material science. They also learn a lot about electrical and mechanical engineering. And we have our Monday program, which is the STEM and STEAM, GEM STEM Academy, and the Coding or Robotics GEM STEM Academy on Wednesday, and the STEM Intro to Bootcamp. These are all virtual, interactive, hands-on program, and you see some of the short videos here on the GEM Academy. I also provide professional development for middle school and high school students who are interested in doing either summer internships or getting a job after high school or going to college, preparing your college essays, SAT. I provide tutoring service for K through 12, but also SAT tutoring, ACT tutoring, and I also provide tutoring for practice and GREs. So there's a lot of resources here you can find at GEM Academy. The reason we love to do this is because we just want to empower the next generation of STEM scholars. You can find out more about us on my GEM if you go to www.geminnovationsinstitute.org, or you can email us at geminnovationsinstitute@gmail.com. So thank you so much for tuning in. There'll be a lot more videos to come. Have a wonderful and a great day. Take care. See you soon again. Dr. Jem. Bye. Until next time.